I wanted to share some thoughts with you on how the emotional patterns work. One of the coaches in US who studied from the same coaching school that I did my certification from. She reached out to me. She has a group of people and she wants to expand their learning further. So she was like, can you talk about leadership? Can you, train them and, maybe record something about that my people can learn from? And I was like, of course. I have done some podcasts. I have like 4 or 5 podcasts that I've done on leadership. And I thought, I already have content and I'm just gonna put it together into a video and then I'm gonna record and share with you. And so I decided that it would be a good challenge and I would do it, right? And I thought I gave myself like a month. She didn't have a deadline. So I was like, I can do it until the end of November. And today we are 29 November. I can tell you, I'm just noticing this pattern of pressure every time. I already have content. It's not like I don't have raw ideas. I've already recorded podcasts on those topics. I just kind of need to combine them into a logical sort of grouping or a talk in a way that makes sense for these people, right? Like a 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour sort of outcome. But it's so funny because every time in the last few weeks I have thought about doing that work, I've just avoided it. I'm just noticing that pattern because what I realized was I have put so much of pressure on myself every time I would sit and try to do something like create that podcast script. Even I have 90 plus podcasts now, but every time I would sit down to do the script, I would be like, oh my god, I have to finish it quickly because every week I have to do one podcast and there are client calls and there's so many other things that I have to do. So what I realized was even when I was doing my podcast, I probably put so much of pressure in my system that now that I have stopped doing podcasts, I'm not doing podcasts for almost more than a year now, because I was like, you know what, I don't want to do anything that I don't want to do. I just want to see and feel that freedom that everything that I'm doing is because I want to do, not because I need to do, right? And it's been so interesting journey to just uncover all of these patterns that I have taken on because of all the pressure that I've put on myself. So even now, like from the last week, I sit every day, I do some bit of work. My brain avoids, but I sit and then like show myself that it's actually fun. I don't have to do it. There's a lot of time. Like it's not comfortable all the time. I still feel like, oh my god, tomorrow I have to send it. But what I wanted to share was that it's taking so much of effort to undo that pressure that I have put in. And all this to say that you just like I know what's going on because I am trained on all of this, right? I can see my patterns and yet it takes so much of time to change them. I know so many tools to get out, but when it's my own brain, it takes time, right? And all this to say that when it is for you, it's going to be even more difficult because you don't even have that awareness, that level of awareness that I have because of all of the study I have done. You don't have that. So when you try to push yourself and when you're trying to let me just push through this, what you don't realize is you're adding on so much more of that extra unprocessed emotion that's going to show up in your system in some way, and it's not going to be pretty, right? So just be mindful that each of our journey is unique, each of our patterns are unique. So when there is a lot of resistance inside your system while doing something, it's because there is some pattern that you have and your brain is resisting against that. So rather than pushing yourself anyway, sitting and trying to understand that pattern is going to be so much more important, my friend, because these are all the things that are stopping us from feeling that freedom, from feeling the joyful experience of doing everything that we want. These are the things that keep us in that, you know what, I need to do this and I need to do that and I have so many compulsions that I have to live by. That's all we have internalized, and now it's time to get ourselves free of that. That's all I have. Random thoughts. Hopefully these are helpful. Okay, bye.